Welcome to the instructions video for the 3-link planar forward kinematics solver calculator. In this video, we will show you how to use this tool to calculate the end effector position of a 3-link robotic arm system. This calculator solves forward kinematics for a planar 3-link robotic arm. Forward kinematics determines where the end of your robot arm is located based on link lengths and joint angles. The formula calculates x position as L1 times cosine of theta 1, plus L2 times cosine of theta 1, plus theta 2, plus L3 times cosine of all three angles combined. The y position uses the same structure, but with sine functions. You input the length of each link segment and the rotation angle at each joint in degrees. The calculator then computes the exact xy coordinates of the end effector, which is critical for programming robot movements and designing workspace boundaries. Find this and all 3Team27 engineering calculators on our website. Visit today to access these free tools for all your engineering projects.